Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the correct row. This choice determines what stays visible while you scroll. Click the row number immediately below the header you want frozen, for example. Click 2 to freeze row 1. If you need both rows and columns frozen, click the cell below and to the right of the split point. Once done, ensure the sheet is active and not in edit mode. Otherwise, the freeze command won't apply. Now open the Freeze pane's controls on the View ribbon. This is where Excel locks rows and columns. Choose Freeze Top Row when you only need the very first row frozen, or use Freeze panes to lock everything above and left of your selection. That preserves multiple header rows. On a Mac, the option sits under Window or View. Menu labels can vary. If you prefer quick keys, the Windows shortcut Alt-WFP. Finish by confirming the freeze worked. Scroll down and watch your header stay fixed. That proves rows are locked. If it didn't work, check a few common blockers. Split view is active. Merge cells cross the freeze boundary, or the sheet is protected. Remove or adjust these issues, then retry. To undo and retry, choose Unfreeze panes from the same menu, fix the selection or layout, and apply Freeze panes again. That resolves most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.